If you try buying Bali land through a PT-PMA without this setup, you're risking a 100% rejected HGU application, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it in 90 days. Here's the problem: most PT-PMAs get rejected at land office stage. Your PT-PMA needs 51% Indonesian shareholder to apply for HGU land rights, not freehold. Budget IDR 450 million minimum paid up capital before the land office accepts your HGU application. You can buy land in Bali through a PT-PMA, but only with HGU rights, not freehold ownership. A Singapore tech founder set up his PT-PMA in 2026, applied for Bali land, got rejected in 14 days because his paid-up capital was only IDR 200 million. The land office requires IDR 450 million minimum for most HGU applications. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle PT-PMA land purchases with zero rejections. Most people fail here. They register the PT-PMA with IDR 100 million capital, thinking they can upgrade later. By the time they apply for HGU land rights, the land office rejects them outright. You cannot buy the land first and retrofit the structure. Indonesian land law requires the PT-PMA to exist with correct capital and shareholder structure before HGU application starts. Do not do this backward. Step 2. Register your PT-PMA with IDR 450 million paid-up capital through TheBaliLawyer in Bali. We file the deed of establishment, get your NIB business license, and open the corporate bank account in 21 to 28 days. The PT-PMA must have at least 51% Indonesian shareholder on record for HGU eligibility. TheBaliLawyer uses a nominee shareholder with a declaration of trust, so you control 100% economic rights while meeting the legal requirement. Step 3. Apply for HGU land rights at the Bali Land Office with your active PT-PMA. This is important. HGU grants you 30 years of land use with 20-year extension option, renewable once more for another 30 years, total 80 years maximum. TheBaliLawyer handles the HGU application, land due diligence, notary deed, and title transfer in one package. The land office takes 60 to 90 days to issue the HGU certificate once all documents are submitted. Here's the problem. Path A is forming a cheap PT-PMA with IDR 100 million capital in 14 days, then discovering the land office won't accept your HGU application, wasting 90 days and IDR 50 million in rejected fees. Path B is setting up the correct PT-PMA structure with IDR 450 million capital and 51% Indonesian nominee from day one through TheBaliLawyer, getting HGU approval in one submission within 90 days. Once your HGU certificate is issued, you need to register the land tax obligation with the local tax office within 30 days. The exact wording to use in your tax registration letter is, Permohonan pendaftaran objek pajak atas tanah hak guna usaha nomor, your HGU number, atas nama PT, your company name, sesuai akta pendirian nomor, deed number. Attach a copy of your HGU certificate, PT-PMA deed, NIB license, and NPWP tax ID. The tax office processes this in 7 to 14 days. Or skip all this and let TheBaliLawyer do it for you. We handle the tax registration, annual land tax filings, and HGU renewal documentation so you never miss a deadline. Permohonan pendaftaran objek pajak atas tanah hak guna usaha nomor, your HGU number, atas nama PT, your company name, sesuai akta pendirian nomor, deed number. PT-PMA needs IDR 450M capital for HGU. 51% Indonesian shareholder required by land office. TheBaliLawyer does PT-PMA plus HGU in 90 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer at TheBaliLawyer.com for help setting up your PT-PMA and buying Bali land legally. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.